Hello everyone, welcome to another video where I'm going to prep and clean this very dirty car. Oh dear, muck everywhere. The seats don't look too bad, but they are actually very dirty and smell really bad. As you can see, the carpets aren't the best, and so it's proper caked in. Really difficult to clean. Not one of the worst ones I've ever done, but required a lot of elbow grease. Quite frustrating really when it's such a small car. As you can see, it's everywhere, every nook and cranny you can think of. Look, even on the back of the seats. It took 6.5 hours, and here are the results. There you have it, nice and shiny. Looks amazing, doesn't it? So I gave it a wash. Then I did a machine polish all round, and she's come up really nice. The bodywork's really good. All the tyres are nice, and as you'll see from the interior, obviously you can't get it 100%, but it's come out nice and presentable. So I've, like I said, I've shampooed, decontaminated, and also on the seats it's got half leathers there, so I've given leather balm all round, so fed the leathers so they stay in tip-top condition. And yeah, look at that, nice and presentable. Here comes the before and after pictures.